first one of this exact box. It's a brand new box of this LOL subscription. LOL box. I'm so excited to open it. What are we waiting for? Let's open it. Let's open this one first. Whoa! Here's the first surprise. Let's open this. Whoa, what's inside? Whoa, a blanket. An LOL blanket. That's so cool. I'll show it at the end all unfolded. What's the next surprise? I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Oh, the bottom's cut open. Wow, an LOL sun hat. Thank you. How do I open this one? Oh, let's use magic of scissor power. Scissor power! Done with scissor power. O.M.G. Of what? Let me see. Where's the zipper? Oh, there is! A smaller one! Inside the smaller one.
Maybe it's a coin purse.
Nothing inside. That, I think that's for that. Yeah. Why does this say 8? One of the kill packets are in there. Shit. I'm gonna get them. These might be the bottoms. Can't read it because it's in Chinese. A puzzle!
Oh, that'll be fun to do.
Here's the puzzle, I think. The final surprise. Whoa, look at this real quick. I think they're off. Nope. I'm right here. Boo! Two. Nope, one more. It smells funny right now. Yeah. No, it's a picnic card thing. Picnic blanket. I could put on my LOL picnic table that I just got.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Guys, I got all the stuff. Yay! I got all the stuff open. I got my t-shirt, the handkerchief, this, the photo, and my puzzle. It wasn't that hard. And then on the inside, isn't that funny? You know, Diva's wearing it. I wish it came with all the LOLs. I wish the box was filled with open LOLs, already dressed in things, not in balls, so they could fit a whole lot. That would be so cool. Move this to the side. Oops.
That's a cool blanket.
I know, it is. Teacher's pet, O.M.G, Mom! 3!
Brand new.
I'm gonna keep this box. She's flexing and flexing, and she's coming out, and she's coming out. Doesn't she come with the little kid? I'm pretty sure she does. A cute little backpack. Does it open? Yes, it does. And whoa!
I'm gonna pause.
Pop! Guys, can I show you her stuff? So we have a teacher's pet, little kid. Yeah, separate. It didn't come with it, by the way. She came with an O.M.G brush. She has nail polish, earrings, glasses, hair, of course, a magazine. Let me read it. If you feel like an occlusion that doesn't add up, then it's a sign you need a break, BB. December 22nd, January 20. And so this, it's a purse and a phone. It's a phone case. It's cool. Two. Which one? This is not included. I got it from a different thing. So it's a changing room. It's a school locker and a changing room. Photo. Fragile and keeps it 100. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe, smash that like button, turn on all notifications to get notified when I make a new video, guys. Bye!